might be the possible shape of the parabola. We set the origin as the center and the y-axis passing through the vertex of the parabola. And as you can see, we have a vertex for the point 0, 90, and 2 points intersecting the x-axis with the points negative 60, 0, and 60, 0. We can use these points to find the equation of the parabola. Remember the equation x, quantity x minus h squared is equals to 4p times the quantity y minus k. What we will do here is to substitute the point h and k into the equation. So it will become x minus 0 squared is equals to 4p times the quantity y minus 90. Then we will have x squared is equals to 4p times the quantity y minus 90. Then we can use the point 60, 0, and substitute for x and y to look for the value of p. So we have this. We have 60 squared is equals to 4p times the quantity 0 minus 90. And then we have 3,600, which is 60 squared is equals to 4p times negative 90. It would further simplify to 3,600 is equals to negative 360p. Then further simplification yields that negative 10 equals p, or in other words, p is equals to negative 10. And there we have the equation of the parabola. X squared is equals to negative 40, since it is 4p times the quantity y minus 90. Given the condition that you are 6 feet tall, so how far from the edge of the wall or from the edge of the door you will stand to avoid your head from bumping? Since 6 feet is a height and we must represent it as y equals 6, then we can substitute it into the equation solving for x. So the equation again is x squared is equals to negative 40 times the quantity y minus 90. So we must substitute 6 here, so x squared is equals to negative 40 times the quantity of 6 minus 90. Then so we have x squared is equals to negative 40 times negative 84, and this results to x squared is equals to 3,360. Now we must find x. So x is equals to the square root of 3,360. So we have x is equals to square root of 3,360, or in simplified terms, x is equals to 4 times the square root of 210, which is the value of approximately 57.97, since the distance referring is from the edge of the wall. So the earlier distance, 60 minus 57.97, is the total distance you must stand to avoid your head from bumping. So we have 2.03 feet. At this distance, your head will just touch the edge of the door perfectly and doesn't cause your head to bump. And this is our solution to the problem.